Atlanta ng Singkawan 2024 second runner-up, Mr. Nathaniel de la Cruz and Miss Bianca Bautista.
As soon as you walk through that door, everyone needs you again. The world's out of order.
And now let's welcome our Hari ng Singkawan 2024 first runner-up, Mr. Jana David Almadin.
Keep that energy, I know, when it feels like the end of the road. You don't let go, you just press forward. You're the engine that makes all things go, go. Always in disguise, my hero. I see a light in the dark, smile in my face when we all know it's hard. There's no way to ever pay you back, bless your heart, though I love you for that.
Hari at Arena ng Kasaysayan 2024, Jonas Carrillo and Leslie Jane Domingo.
You did a good job, good job. You did a good job, don't get too down. The world needs you now. Know that you matter, matter, matter.
Good job.
You did a good job, good job. You did a good job, don't get too down. The world needs you now. Know that you matter, matter, matter. Mothers to fathers, the teachers that reach us, strangers to friends, they're shown in the end. From the bottom to the top, the listeners that hear us, this is for you. You make me feel like you did a good job, good job. You did a good job, don't get too down. The world needs you now. Know that you're
Hari at Arena ng Sining at Kultura 2024, Ran Daniel Marilag and Christina Mia Lucero.
On my face when we all know it's hard. There's no way to ever pay you back, bless your heart, know I love you for that. Honest and selfless, I don't know if this helps it, but good job, you did a good job, good job. You did a good job, don't get too down. The world needs you now. Know that you matter, 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 yeah. You did a good job, good job. You did a good job, don't get too down. The world needs you now. Know that you matter, 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 yeah.
6 in the morning. As soon as you walk through that door, everyone needs you again. The world's out of order. It's not a sound we're gonna around.
All day on your feet, all good. Keep that energy, I know. When it feels like the end of the road, you don't let go. You just press forward. You're the engine that makes all things go.
Hari Turismo 2024, Ronald Irwin Arshaga.
There's no way to ever pay you back. Bless your heart, oh, I love you for that. Honest and selfless, I don't know if this helps in love. Good job, you did a good job, good job, good job. You did a good job, don't get too down. The world needs you now. Know that you never, never.
Pride and excellence. Maraming salamat for carrying the titles with such dignity and heart. Thank you very much.
Okay, Jersey, what can you say about Bulacan?
I would say it's very hospitable and very warm. You know, like hearing all these supporters cheer for their candidates, you know, that's something really heartwarming sound. And I can still remember the times during my BBE days. How about you?
You know what? This is actually a full circle moment for me because when I joined Hari at Reina 9 years ago, I can still feel the adrenaline, the rush. But you know what? Our queens and our kings will definitely have a bright future.
I totally agree with you, Sam.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, tonight's celebration becomes even more meaningful as we highlight a very special moment in the history of Hari at Reina ng Singkaban. For the very first time, we are presenting the newly designed crowns for our Hari ng Kasaysayan, Hari ng Sining at Kultura, at Hari ng Turismo. These crowns symbolize not just victory, but the honor, creativity, and pride of Bulacan. And to witness this momentous unveiling, we call back on stage the title holders of these special crowns. Let us welcome once again Hari ng Kasaysayan 2024, Jonas Carrillo. Hari ng Sining at Kultura 2024, Randaniel Marilan. And Hari ng Turismo 2024, Ronald Irvin Arshaga.
And now, the man behind these regal and meaningful creations, a master of elegance and craftsmanship. He is the renowned crown and jewelry designer who has made his mark in both national and international pageantry. Friends, mga Bulaqueños, let us welcome Mr. Manny Halasan.
Sir Manny, thank you so much for sharing your artistry with Bulacan, Cosmo the very soul of our history, culture, and tourism. And so, with great pride and honor, we officially present to you the new crowns of the Hari ng Kasaysayan, Hari ng Sining at Kultura at Hari ng Turismo.
Thank you guys and thanks Sir Manny. Lawrence L. Contreras and Maria Faracet Giselso for their final walk. Their journey as title holders has been nothing short of inspiring. And tonight, we celebrate their achievements one last time. Let's give them all the loudest round of applause as they take their final, most memorable walk on the Singkapan stage.
Hari ng Singkapan 2024, Mark Lawrence Contreras.
Ipagkatiwala sa akin ang korona bilang hari ng Singkapan. Aking naunawaan na hindi lamang ito bilas na inilalagay sa ulo, kundi bigat ng pananagutan inilalagay sa balikat. Sa bawat dalawang salita, kaakibat ang dalan ng isang lalawigan na hindi kilalang buhay ng mga bayani at ugat ng manikahang diwa ang sambayan ng Pilipino. Ang Singkapan ay higit pa sa palamuti ng kawayan at arkong itinatayo ng pista. Ito ay arko ng ating pagkakakilanlan. Daan na tinatahak ng bawat kabataan patungo sa kinabukasan. Sa ilalim ng mga arko ito, natututo tayong kumilala, hindi lamang sa silong, kundi sa ating pinagmulan. Mga kababayan, dala-dala ko po ang aral na ang tunay na hari ay hindi hinuhubog ng korona, kundi ng kakayang makinig, magpakumbaba at mag-alay ng sarili para sa kanyang bayan. Kung may malakaman po akong iiwan, naway ito ay hindi lamang bilang isang hari ng Singkapan, kundi bilang kamataang silbing tinig ng ating kultura. At para naman sa mga taong naging parte ng pagbuo ng pangarap, una, aking taos-pusong pinasasalamatan si Maki Valenciana, ang unang nakakita ng potensyal ko at nagbigay daan upang makita ko rin ang sarili kong kakayahan. Sa aking pamilya, kay Mama, Ella, at sa aking mga ate, salamat sa walang samang suporta at pagmamahal. Sa alaala po, Dok Eliseo, na ngayon kapiling na ng may kapal. Salamat sa mga aral na iniwan mo. Mga aral na hindi naman naging gabay ko, kundi naging ambag sa buong Bulacan. Sa aking mga naging katuwang, Sir LJ, Mamanka, at sa lahat ng kawaling ng piyak, maraming salamat po sa tiwala at sa lahat ng gabay na inialay mo. Sa mga kawaling po ng bayan ng Pulilan, Sir Joseph Navarro at Sir Ace de Guzman, maraming po salamat sa inyo sa pagod na inialay mo. Naiingat po natin ang bayan ng Pulilan. Sir Gary Pagtaw, salamat sa palaging pagbukas sa tuwing ako'y kakato. Kay Kuya Angel de Luna, isang tunay na kuya sa lahat ng oras at naging sobrang suportado sa bawat hakbang ng aking paglalakbay. Kuya, maraming salamat. Sa mga mabuting puso ng ating Bulacanyo designers, Mami Jeff de la Cruz, Tammy Aldama-Tenco, Marvin Garcia, at Jessamy Torres, salamat sa inyong sining na naging kasuotan ng aking diwa at sa mga sinunod ninyong tumahin ng mga kwento. At sa kasuotan ito, na minsan ko lang pinangarap, Sir Manny Alasan, maraming salamat. Ma'am Lynn Palamiñano, Ma'am Tiff Jimenez, at sa Weekender Event Production, maraming salamat po sa walang sawang suporta. Sa aking mga kaibigan, Hart, Ken, Kira, Lukong, at Lauren, salamat po sa inyong presensya na naging kanlungan ng aking kabataan. Sa tawanan, sa suporta, at sa walang kapantay na samahan. At sa aking huling sandali, bilang inyong hari ng Sigaban, hayaan niyo pong ipahayag ko ito ng buong puso. Ang lahat ng ito ay hindi para sa akin. Ito ay para sa mga magsasaka, mangingisda, jeepney driver, at bawat Bulacanyo tapat na nagbabayad ng buwis. Sapagkat sa inyo nakasalalay ang haligi ng ating lipunan. Kayo ang tunay na bayan ng Sigaban. Hindi nakasuot ng korona, hindi nakatungtong sa entablado, ngunit araw-araw ay isinusulat ang kasaysayan ng ating bayan sa pamamagitan ng pawis, sakripisyo, at pagmamahal. Kaya ngayong gabi, sa huling pagkakataon bilang inyong hari, ang aking pinakamataas na pagpupugay ay para sa inyo. Muli, Mark Lawrence Contreras, mula sa Sigaban, para sa bayan, patungo sa dakilang bayan ng Bulacan. Mabuhay!
Manifestation that I would soon be stepping into the stage of the prestigious Hari at Reyna ng Sigaban, carrying the pride of my hometown, sharing my advocacy that I have for our province, and present myself with so much confidence. I am proof of the saying that no dream is impossible, and I am thankful for taking this dream as this journey forged me into the best version of myself. However, no matter how beautiful the journey is, none of it is ever easy. For that, let me thank the people who poured the same energy and love into building the woman that I am today. My Justin Aisteen, Mami Justine Vanagdas, thank you for always bringing the best out of me. You never gave me less, and I will always be grateful to have you. Mami Amber Hilton, thank you for always going beyond your words and your efforts. What you and Mami Justine have done are proof of how loved I am to Mami. Thank you. Mami Wally, Mami Carla, thank you for your patience and the skills and talents that you have shared with me. I value you both just as much. I would also like to give my gratitude to my designer, Mark Robin Ibanez. Your designs made me feel grateful, confident, and beautiful. Thank you for your magic. I hope to continue to make you proud. Aside from my ever-supportive team, I would also like to thank my family who kept me grounded and motivated. Mama, Papa, Tia, my loved ones, Titos, Titas, Lola Divine, and Chen. Thank you for always love you all with all my heart. I would also like to take the time to appreciate my sponsors who believe that I can make it happen. The Weekender Events and Production headed by Sir PJ Luna, Shara Nielsen Spa, Atikat of the MBSF chapters, Dr. Kay Javier of BHM Dental Clinic, Dr. Lilian Valenzuela of LB Optics, and lastly, Aesthetics by Rinaldo. Thank you for letting me carry you names with so much pride. I would also like to give my appreciation to the Colina Nursing Office, Sir Joseph, Sir Ace. Thank you for your support and encouragement throughout this journey. I'm proud of the history that you made. Let me also express my gratitude to Doc Eliseo. Our time with you was short, but your efforts and dedications in your service was enough to inspire us. To the behalf of me, Sir LJ Abimanica, Ma'am Arlene, I am grateful for the opportunities that you have given me. I thank your good office for continuously keeping the spirit of our province, our festival, and our culture alive. Finally, to the next Reina ng Singapore, I hope that you enjoy your reign just as much as I do. Cherish every moment. Put kindness above all. Be a conduit of change. Learn, love, and continue to explore Bulacan with all that you have, because there lies the true meaning of carrying this crown. Bulacanos, it has been with great pleasure to share this journey with you. This is a goodbye, because my heart, I know, once a little Kenya, will always be a little Kenya. I am Maria Fares Celso, your Reina ng Singkaman 2024. Mabuhay ang Bulacan, mabuhay ang Singkaman. Salamat.